everyone, welcome to DaryaCrochetLife. My name is Darya. Today I have a very fun, easy and really useful project for you. We are gonna make ear savers. So we are in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic right now, and I don't know how many times do we need to wear masks, maybe a couple of more years, who knows. So that's why we need something that will save our ears from wearing a mask. And this is the basic ear saver, so it's unisex, and you can make it in different colors, and literally you need 10 minutes in order to make that. So let me show you closer. I have just so we are gonna make this type of ear saver. It will be oval with 2 buttons on each sides. I have a couple of ear savers in different yarns, but using the same principle of of crocheting. And as you can see, you can make them in different sizes as well. I tested this particular one, and it's very, very comfortable. So I really like it. This one is for me, and I hope that you can find the size of the ear saver that will fit you. So definitely you need to try several lengths of the ear saver. So let me show you what you need in order to make the ear savers. To be honest, not so many stuff. So first of all, we'll need a yarn. Today I will show you on this gray yarn. This is acrylic yarn from Loops and Threads Impeccable. So here you can see all the information about the yarn. This is a medium weight yarn, and manufacturer asked us to use 5mm hook, but we will use smaller size hook. This is 3.5mm hook. So if you use some different yarn, take the hook that is a little bit smaller for that particular yarn. And if I'm not mistaken, this is number 4 medium, and if I'm not mistaken, it is sort of worsted weight yarn. And you need like yarn, you need a hook, then you need some buttons. My buttons, I bought them in China, to be honest. I ordered them from AliExpress, but I'm sure that you can find similar ones from Amazon, for example. And you'll need some tapestry needle and scissors, and that's it. All right, let's crochet. So first of all, we start with making a slip knot. Wrap around take the short tail, wrap it around the long tail, and you will have a loop. Then insert your hook in that loop, make a yarn over, wrap around the working yarn around the hook, and pull this through that loop and tighten that. So you will have a slip knot. Okay, first of all, you need to make 18 chains. So chain 18 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Don't work too tight and don't work too loose. So we are using the smaller hook size that is a little bit small for this yarn. And that's why I don't want you to work too tight. So cast on 18 stitches. This is our foundation chain that has 18 stitches. Then we need to make one more additional chain, and in the second chain from the hook you need to make 3 single crochet. So insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and make 1 single crochet, then second single crochet, and third single crochet. After that, I want you to make 1 single crochet in every next space to the last chain. So you make 1 single crochet in every space to the last one. I think in total it would be 16 single crochets. I finished my 16 single crochets. I have last chain and I'm making 3 single crochet, and all of them will go into the same space, into the same chain. And while I'm doing this, please look at the tail, like this beginning tail. I'm placing it very close to the edge. So right now I will work from this side of the row, and I'm placing the tail like this to the fabric, very close to the edge. So then I need to make the row of single crochet from this side, and all this tail will be like inside of my single crochets. Yeah, and I need to make 16 single crochets on the other side. So I finished my first row, and I need to make just one more row, and that's it. In the next stitch, which is this one, because I think you remember, like at the beginning of the row we did 3 single crochet in the same spot, so I want you to start with the first one and make just 1 single crochet there, so we don't make any like slip stitches. No, just straight go and make 1 single crochet there. In the next stitch, make 3 single crochets, like increase, make 3 of them, and all 3 will go into the same space. Then 18 single crochet, each one go into its own space. Make 3 single crochets, like increase into the next space, into the next single crochet. And then you just need to finish this row with 17 single crochet. And the last thing that you need to make is a slip stitch into the next single crochet. And that's it. Then cut the tail, you don't need the long tail, and pull this tail through this loop, the last loop, and that's it. So since we already weave this tail, the beginning tail, I can cut it straight, like right now, very close to the fabric, that's okay. And with this tail, I'm taking the crochet hook and I will find any loops that is close to the tail, grab this tail and pull it through that loop, and then repeat this process several more times until the tail will be weaved in the fabric. Yeah, that's it for crocheting, but you need to cut some like piece of yarn for the sewing buttons purpose. I'm taking 2 buttons, and you need to sew the button on each side like this of the ear saver. So this is the result that I have. It is very, very comfortable, like I swear. And I want to tell you the length of this particular ear saver. It is 12 centimeters or 5 inches. Yeah, and I think it fits general adult size as well. Please write me the comment in description and I will tell you exactly what you need to make if you want to make the ear saver a little bit bigger or smaller. And please leave me a comment if you like this ear saver and if you want me to create more interesting patterns, because this is just the basic, the simplest pattern ever. It does a job, but it is like maybe too boring. If you want something fun for summer, let me know. I will think about that and make another tutorial for you. So if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Please like and share this video if it was useful for you and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell so you will receive notifications about all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting. Bye bye.